Here's a Fitbit Versa 3. I'm going to show you how to change the clock face. First thing is open up your Fitbit app. Top left hand side is your avatar right there. Let's go ahead and tap on that. From here, we want to tap on Versa 3. Make sure that your watch is close by and make sure that it says connected there. Let's tap on that, and then let's tap on clock faces. Down here is just all the clock faces that I used before. So if I want to use another one, the same one again that I had before, I can just click it. Or what you guys should do is just click up here, all clocks. And now you have tons of clock faces. The thing is, most of these will require, they'll give you a free trial, then they want you to pay a couple dollars, or some of them will ask for a donation. But we're just going to go directly down to where all the clocks are free. So scroll down until you see free clocks right here, and then you can go ahead and tap on view all and find the clock face that you want with the activity. Some of these also have the battery percentage on there as well. So for example, if I want this one here, I see steps, I see my heart rate, and I also see battery percentage and the of course the time and the date. So I want this one, for example. Let's tap on that. Oops. Let's tap on that and then tap on select. This whole process will take about like less than 1 minute. Okay, it's done. My watch vibrated and voila. Okay. And this one here, I have the actual battery percentage. Okay, but you can always just swipe to the right like that and see the battery percentage on there as well. Okay, so pretty simple. Good luck.